3, 2,
DRL-18H 18 inches professional LED ring light. Digitek LED ring light is a boon for continuous light photography and video shoots where there is no electrical power supply. This bi-color light source is essential at places like market, beach, park or any outdoor location. It's very popular among professional and with budding makeup artists, fashion photographers. This magic ring is equally chosen as a perfect light partner to shoot interviews, food or product shots, vlogs, documentaries and much more. It's must for photography lovers. It can be mounted to a grip head or light stand as per requirement. It has stepless adjustment for color temperature. Moreover, it maintains fine product tone or creates subject details. And operates on two optional NP-F550, 750, 960 lithium-ion batteries. It offers no shadow aperture, made by the unique ring structure. It comprises of 240 pieces high-quality SMD LED lamps with stable color temperature and high IP. So what are you waiting for? Order today. Digitek ring light.